that in a little
I messed up. So this is extremely concentrated sunscreen. And I was just talking and hanging out. And then I remembered that I just rubbed it all over my face like it was a copper tone. I know it's zinc based. I screwed up, okay?
And your eyes are like still tan, and then the rest of you is just like... We're in Mexico, y'all.
Feels exactly like Tennessee.
Tennessee feels like this right now?
Still full, you know. Prank your buddies.
Tyler's slamming Red Bulls, just trying to get through the day. So we lost a couple people, but
They're all up ahead.
where'd Bobby go?
Oh, I see.
He gone.
I tried to tell them to wait. Wait, 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 wait,
But we're here.
wait. Hello.
How you doing?
Just chilling.
Okay, we've been up since really, really early. So I haven't been filming because we're all super tired. But we are in Mexico. As you can tell, we're not on a boat anymore. That's not a boat. So today we are at Paradise Beach. It's like an all-inclusive. They have like paddle boards and snorkeling stuff and massages and all that jazz. And the second we walked in, we got our wristbands and a guy came up and handed us drinks immediately. So Eric's already 2 drinks in.
And me and Garrett are
They're racing.
racing to disaster.
Should be a fun day. What are you doing? It's so shaded right here. It's weird.
I know. I'm not even worried about getting sunburned while I'm throwing.
Once it gets past that,
There's no way it'll go higher than that, Bobby.
I don't think you know how the sun
never goes
works.
into the sun. The sun never goes into the sun.
I'm definitely leaving that in the vlog. Wow! Trick shots! Ava, catch it! Not bad. You walk in, you get your wristband, and they just hand you a drink. Here,
literally.
get started. It's 8 a.m. Gang's all here. We've got like 30 of us or something like that. Eric's being antisocial. You don't want to talk to anybody?
Tired.
And our tri-fly disc golf towels. Look at that. Tyler, are you trying to lose the tanning contest? Look at his face.
I've already won the backwards reverse tan
You're
contest.
supposed to rub that in.
Stay sun safe.
This is good footage, though. I
There's
appreciate
an
it.
Australian sun campaign. It's like sun safe. You know, you gotta swip, swap, swap. It's like put on your sunscreen, put on your hat, grab on your flip flops, head to the beach. So that's what I'm. Peace to all the Australians in the audience.
All right.
Swip, swap, swap.
All right.
Put in the comments what you're really supposed to say.
All right. Thanks, Tyler.
Yeah.
Nah.
It's so hard to get it right. It's crazy.
Double fisted. Garrett, you have too many drinks.
What? Don't even call.
Two is the max.
We just got back from Mexico. Hola.
Hi.
And Ali gave us a little puppy dog, and he has eyeballs. Look how cute he is. Cute, cute. Scoot, scoot.
It's good, good.
Cute, cute.
Cute, cute.
Coffee on the patio. My new sandals. Wow, Eric! Wow! Oh, boo! Look down, Zach! I did it!
That was awesome!
Watching the Kansas City Chiefs game outside next to the pool with a bar and food. Just chilling. Gang's all here. She took the midnight train going everywhere. It's just a little bit windy out there. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Oh my gosh. Everybody's taking video. And we're in here comfortable. Rusco's not liking it either. He looks freezing. It's over!
We're number 6. We're number 6. We're number 6.
Okay, our trip has come to a close, but not really. We spent hundreds of dollars
Quite a bit.
on the boat. But now we're about to go run a week's worth of events with Zach Melton and Tyler Searle and Bobby Brown all over Florida, basically. So we can make some of that money back, and it was so much fun, so worth it.
We made hundreds of experiences too.
Yeah, like seeing Eric in lipstick and a bra.
We didn't need to bring
Something I
that
would
up.
love to not remember.
Yeah, does anybody have one of those Men in Black flashy things for Tina? Just forget last night.
That'd be great. So this might be the end of this vlog. I might roll the event week into this too, I'm not sure. I definitely will be doing some filming because my BFF Erica is coming to town. All y'all know Erica Stinchcomb. She's amazing, and we have this really fun experience planned for her when she comes to visit. So, all right, so for now, peace out. We're gonna go do some events today. Literally, we just got off the boat Now we're heading to Picnic Island to do a little event, and then we're going to Fort Stevens to do another event. So we never sleep, basically.
Cliff Stevens?
Cliff Stevens. I'm going to Fort Stevens. I'll see y'all later.
You were born in Virginia and are from Virginia, but you live in Memphis.
Memphis?
Memphis. Memphis.